welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Lego Michael Myers. So first let's get started with the head. So on the top left hand side, we're going to start by curving this line over and through towards the right. We're going to curve the top corner now. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this around and then down towards the side. And then we're going to start on the right hand side, replicating that, curving this around and then back down. Let's continue the shape around now. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this down, flattening that out, and then we're going to arch that in for the cheek. We're going to do the same on the right, blending that line in together, bringing this over and through. We're just going to leave a gap in the center for the chin. For the chin now, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right, curving this around and up. Let's draw in the eyes. So on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line around, and we're just going to bring that back into itself. And then we're going to color that in black. And then we're going to line this up with the same height on the right hand side, and then we're just going to replicate that. And then again, just color that in black. Let's move above now. We're going to arch this line over and down towards the middle. We're going to step across, replicating that over on the right. Let's add in some detailed lines now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then to the right of that, we're just going to curve this line up towards the top right. Let's move down for the nose. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then in. We're going to line that up at the same height on the right-hand side and just replicate that. Let's draw in a small shadow in the center. So we're going to curve this line over towards the right. And then coming underneath, we're just going to bring this line down and then through towards the top. Let's draw in the cheek line here. So we're going to curve this line out towards the left. We're going to step across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's come down now and draw in our mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line up, over, and then back down on the right. We're going to thicken this up on the top. So from the corner, we're going to bring this line up, back down. We're going to do the same thing on the right in the corner. And then from here for the lips, we're just going to bring this line back up and down, and then back up and down. And we're just going to color those in black. We're going to draw in a small curved line underneath. And then underneath that, again, we're just going to arch that in the opposite direction. Let's draw in our ears. On the left-hand side, let's curve this line around and through towards the side of the head. We're going to replicate that on the right-hand side. Let's add in some details on the ears. So on the top, we're going to curve this over and out. And then moving underneath, curving that around and then down towards the bottom. Let's add in some details for the hair. So right in the center, curving this over and through towards the top left. Stepping back down, arching this around and back up. Let's step over. We're going to curve this line around and through towards the top. Moving across again, let's replicate that. We'll do the same opposite. So on the left-hand side, curving that up. Now moving over, we're going to replicate that, just making that slightly smaller. We'll make the one on the left-hand side just slightly longer. And then over on the side, we're going to curve this line out towards the side of our page. And now let's draw on the pattern of the hair. So right in the middle, we're going to curve this line out from that point, bringing that back down. Let's focus on the left side first. Stepping over from that point, we're going to curve this line over and down. Stepping over again, replicating that, curving that further out towards the left. Let's join that line together, bringing that over and through towards the middle. We'll continue to keep bringing this down now towards the bottom left. From that point again, curving this down and through. And then one last time, we're just going to bring this from that corner around and in towards the ear. Let's step underneath. Underneath the ear, we're going to curve this further down towards the bottom, bringing that back up towards the ear. Let's step in again, curving that in towards the center, back up. And then one more time, we're just going to arch that in towards the cheek. Let's move over now. On the right-hand side, we're going to continue to bring this line up towards the middle, bringing that over and through towards the right. We're going to drop down again, curving that up and then back down. Let's step over, curving that through and then down towards the side. And then we're gonna bring that line out and then back in. Now from here, we're gonna curve this line down and then bringing that through towards the middle. Let's step down again, curving that down, back up. And then again, we're just gonna curve this around and in towards the side of our ear. Let's step underneath. Underneath the ear, curving this down and up towards the top. Now from that point, we're gonna curve this over and through. And then again, we're just gonna arch this over and through towards the cheek. Let's come down and draw on the neck. We're going to draw on a straight line that comes down on both sides. And then from here, we're going to close that off with a straight line from left to right. Let's close off the shape of the body. So on the left-hand side, bringing that over on a side diagonal, we'll do the same on the right. We're just going to round out the corner. So we're going to curve this around, bringing this down on a diagonal towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same on the right-hand side, just ending that at the exact same height. Let's flatten this out with a straight line on the bottom, connecting that together. Let's draw on the shirt. So for the collar from that corner, we're going to curve this down towards the center. We're going to step over on the right hand side, replicating that, bringing that down. From the top corner again, we're going to curve this line down and then in towards the middle. And then from that point, bringing this diagonal line out. And then we're going to curve this in slightly as we come through towards the center. On either side of this now, let's just draw on a straight line that comes down towards the bottom of our page. Let's draw on the pocket. So on the top, we're going to draw on a straight line across. We're going to step over on the left-hand side, replicating that. Let's move down on both sides now. Let's draw on another straight line coming through towards the bottom. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom with another straight line from left to right. Let's draw in the letter V. So from the side, we're going to draw two diagonal lines coming in, joining at a point in the center. And then for the button, we're just going to draw in a small circle on the very top in the center. Now let's move over and draw in the arms. So on the side, we're going to draw a curved diagonal line coming out on both sides. Now from here, we're going to round that corner out, bringing this diagonal line through towards the center. And then from there, we're going to again bring this further down towards the bottom. Now let's curve this line from that corner in towards the side of the body. And then moving up, we're just going to draw on a small curved line in the center. Let's come down for the wrist now. We're going to draw on two diagonal lines coming out, ending those at the exact same height. Let's close off the inside of the wrist. So we're just going to curve this line in, coloring that part in black. Now let's draw in our hands. So stepping over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and down. We're going to do the same on the left. And then moving back through, we're going to curve this around and down, just ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up on both sides on a diagonal. And then to close off the rest of the hand, we're just going to curve this around and down towards the bottom. Just for the inside of the hand now, we're going to replicate that, stepping in, curving that down. Now let's draw in the legs. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. Again, we're going to flatten that out with a straight line from left to right. Now from here, in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left. We're going to leave a gap, stepping over on the right, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Let's step over towards the outside now. Again, we're going to bring this straight line down towards the bottom. In the middle, we're going to curve this line slightly. Stepping up slightly, we're going to draw in a straight line across. We'll line that up at the same height on the left-hand side and just replicate that. Let's draw in our feet. So we're going to extend this line past our line on the inside and outside. We're going to do the same on the left-hand side. We're just gonna make sure that we still leave a gap in the middle. Let's bring these lines straight down towards the bottom now. And we'll step over towards the outside, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the bottom, flattening that out with a straight line. And then just stepping up, we're going to replicate that with another straight line. Bringing that across. And that is it. That's how you draw Lego Michael Myers. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.